Hi, this is John Sterlin, Director of Product Development for ARC Facilities. Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick tour of the product. Let's get started. Mobility is critical to what we do in ARC Facilities. When you look at a lot of software solutions, or even analog solutions, we find that our customers simply cannot access information when they're in the field. They have to travel back to the office to use a computer, or to the pump room, or to a plan room, or to some storage room in a different building across campus. With ARC Facilities, the information you need is on your phone, on your tablet, on your person, while you're out in the field working on your project. In ARC Facilities, we organize information by campuses. At the top, I can see my recent campuses, and the whole list down at the bottom. Let's jump into Portland. From here, I have access to all the information specific to this campus. All of the buildings, all of the equipment, all of the emergency information. Buildings is one of our most popular modules. Let's take a look at that. Now, I'm going to look at my campus view. I'm going to go ahead and tap on building number 4, the medical center. From here, you can see that I've got detailed information about this particular building. As-Built's list view shows all of the renovations that have happened in this building over the years, organized by date and name. One of the things we find pretty consistently with most of our customers is that they have what's often known as the dungeon. This is where they keep all of those as-built drawings. In a building, you do a lot of renovations over time, and what we find is organizations keep those rolls of drawings stacked in cubby holes, and when you need to find them, it's an exercise in searching each of the sets of drawings to find the one you need. So we thought, let's take that analog process and take it digital. Let's put that information in the cloud, put it on our mobile device, and make it available wherever you are, so we don't have to travel back to that plan room. But also, let's organize it. We can do that in Map View, where we can overlay each one of the renovations, one on top of another, on the main drawing floor plan, so that we can see exactly which drawing touches which room in the building. From the As-Built map view, however, I can easily see each of those renovations layered up over time on the floor plan. This helps me identify which set of drawings I need when I'm working on a particular room. Here in the PEDS exam room, number 1446, we can see that 2 separate renovations have touched this room. One in 1989 and another in 2000. Let me tap on the 2000 occupational health relocation, and you can see that this takes me to the drawing index in the full set of documents for that renovation. Each of the documents is linked, and tapping on it allows me to jump directly to that sheet. Now that I've found the document I need, I can quickly use the measurement tool to calculate the square footage of this office and order carpet. Adding a notation is simple. From the toolbar, here I can quickly add a note. Another useful bit of information on this page is shutoffs. Frequently, we want to know where the shutoff is and what does it control. From here, I can see each of the shutoffs in this building, whether they be electrical, gas, or water. Let's tap this water shutoff, and you can see all the way down to highlighting the shutoff valve. This interior shutoff, for instance, we added instructions on how to operate it. Lots of facilities technology tells you what you need to do. It doesn't often tell you how to do it. With ARC Facilities, that's what we're trying to provide while you're in the field, while you're working on that particular piece of equipment. We give you access to all of the information about that equipment, how to repair it, how to do the preventative maintenance, how to access parts or warranty information. All of that can be available to you on your mobile device. For customers that purchase our equipment module, we also add equipment maps. On the equipment map, we can see the location of all the equipment, and tapping on a piece of equipment brings up the details. But I can also find information another way. From my campus homepage, I can access the equipment module. And on this screen, I can find all of my recently viewed equipment. I can tap the list to see all of my equipment. I can use the search bar to find equipment. Let's find fire extinguishers. Let's find them in Building 4, first floor in the cafe. Or I can use the tags at the bottom to quickly filter equipment down to the information I need. Let's tap on Building 4, Power and Generator. And now I'm looking at just the power generation equipment in building number 4. Opening backup generator number 1 shows me all of the pictures and a detailed view to make sure I'm looking at the right piece of equipment. I can also see the make, model, serial number, and when the warranty expires, and so forth. If I need to see where this particular piece of equipment is, I can find that under Location. I can even view a floor plan that will zoom directly to that location. Maintenance and inspection information is here as well. I can see all of the pending and historical information regarding the maintenance or testing of this generator. Linked Files gives me access to the O&M. Parts is going to be commonly utilized replaceable parts on that particular generator, and Useful Links will take me out to tutorials, the product locator, and other information. All of the equipment in our facilities is also tagged with a QR code. This allows technicians to scan the QR code while they're standing at the equipment and instantly access this information. Every organization has to deal with the challenges of information walking out the door when a worker retires or even when they're on vacation. With ARC Facilities, all of the building information is available instantly all the time to your entire team. That means no more bothersome phone calls while you're on the beach. And it also means new team members, as they come on board, have access to everything they need. Lots of organizations keep their emergency information in binders. But during a crisis, do you have that binder with you? What do you have? Your mobile device. So why not keep all of that information there? With ARC Facilities, we store things like your emergency contact information, where are your shutoff valves, floor plans, and in an emergency, while you're standing in the parking lot, when the first responders arrive, you're able to easily share that information with them. From the campus homepage, I can also access emergency information. As with the other information, it is available at a tap, and you can see everything here on this homepage. I have access to all of the critical information I might need during an incident: evacuation routes, safe refuge areas, detailed information about where the utility lines run, emergency equipment, and shutoffs is all available here. Taking a look at emergency equipment, I can see all of the information for all of the devices that I may need to access during an incident, and I can toggle them on and off using this menu to narrow it quickly to the ones that I need. When the first responders arrive, we have access to detailed floor plans and can easily send that information directly to a first responder's mobile device. I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like more information, you can find us at arcfacilities.com.